Mr. Shelson's wife was extremely jealous of the ring that Dr. Smith got his fiancée. Mr. Rennell stated that one of his friends put chemicals in her jewelry. Mrs. Moon overheard that Miss Moorfield Pender may be suing Dr. Smith. Mrs. Moorfield Pender's very suspicious behavior leaves her as one of the prime suspects.
Indicators are chemical dyes whose colors are affected by acidic and basic solutions. Indicators are used to find the presence of acidic and basic solutions to match people to crime scene. Phenolphthalein is clear in acids and purplish pink in bases. Universal indicator turns red in acids, blue in bases, and in an almost neutral substance it slightly appears green.
Titration is the process of determining the concentration of a substance in a solution by adding it to a standard reagent of known concentration, carefully measured amounts until a reaction occurs. Three household acids include lemonade, battery acid, vinegar. Three household bases include milk, baking soda, and bleach. The property of acids are that they taste sour, have more hydrogen ions in the solution, have a pH of lower than 7, react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. The properties of bases is that they taste bitter, have more hydroxide ions in the solution, have a pH greater than 7, feel slippery, and known as antacids, and they both can damage living tissue.
Fortunately for Mr. Shelson, he was not a match.
Although Miss Moon wasn't a match, someone at the diner was.
Samasco was not a match as well.
We have another match. This leaves us with two suspects.
Purifoy-Lewis Bolton, David Dawson, Paul Winger is investigating the murder of Dr. Alex Smith, who was a doctor, and who was found dead on Saturday in his office. We have found the guilty party to be Moorfield Pender and are ready to confession from her. The victim was murdered by chemical poisoning and jewelry. Evidence that led us there are acting very suspicious while being questioned, liquid found on matched liquid found on you, and the titration was 100%, 0.1 molarity of NaOH. How do you plead?
No contest, but all I can say, I'm not going to say I did it, I'm not going to say that, but I am going to say one thing. When you buy jewelry from me, you pay. One way or the other, you pay.
You have that there? She killed him.
Just saying, you pay. You don't, you know what I'm saying? If you're buying an expensive piece of jewelry, if you're not going to pay with money, you're going to pay. You will pay.